Welcome to Visual Merchandising with Anshuman. So in today's session, we are going to learn how to create a visual merchandising portfolio. And what is a portfolio? If you don't know what a portfolio is, let me tell you. So a portfolio is a set of documents, pictures or drawings that one carries as an example of his work. Like other creative professions, it is extremely important for you to carry your visual merchandising portfolio along whenever you go for a job interview or whenever you want to present or showcase your work to someone. There are multiple ways through which you can create your visual merchandising portfolio. You can make a very basic one using Microsoft PowerPoint, or you can use multiple designing softwares like CorelDRAW, Illustrator, and you can create a PDF out of it. Or even better, you can make a video content. So today we are going to make a very basic portfolio using Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's get started. The first step would be to make a dedicated folder for each type of project that you have done. I have taken 6 of my projects here and created folders which you can see on the screen, and I'll directly copy the pictures from folders to PPT. I have created blank presentation. So for this portfolio, I am keeping the size to A3. So this is how it will look when you change the size. You go to design and then you can select the size. Okay, cool. So also I want to go and see some design options. So always try to keep the design element very subtle, and my first slide will obviously have this, and this is how it's gonna look like. And then I want to add my name, and if you want to put some details, you can just always put some details here. And then we'll go to the second slide, which will be my index. So if you can see index, I have added introduction, then visual merchandising at a store, and then you have mall branding and decor, and then some academic projects. Starting with the introduction part, then add new slide. I'm just copying and pasting it to save our time. In introduction, what I have done, so I have written some text here. You can add more into it, whatever you like to put. And I have also attached a picture here. If you can see here, it's a designer pie chart, and it contains all the details of the things which I have done so far in visual merchandising. You can also create something like that. Then moving on, we'll have visual merchandising at store. So I'll just add some details. So these are the sub pointers. The first thing will be window display. So we can see I have put some pictures of window displays, and you can always play around the design elements. So you can go to format, you can go to picture border, you can change the border if you want to, you can add transitions. There are a lot of things you can do in a PowerPoint presentation. And if you want to add some details, this window 1 is this, window 2 is something else, so you can always provide some data. Then what else we have? Okay, mannequin setup. So I'll put some pictures of mannequin setup here. So this is the mannequin display. So like this, other things will also come in place. I'm just gonna add other sections quickly so that it won't take much time of yours. So mannequin display, then we have mall branding, then wall elevations and planograms. So you can write text again to support each of your image. Then some more elevations, then we have some academic project, and that is it. That was easy, isn't it? And if you have any doubts, if you want to ask something, you can write in the comments below. I'll be happy to help. So keep rocking, bye bye, and I'll see you in next video.